Hey guys, I'm Anya and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have for you my top favorite skincare picks from all the range available in the market. These are the products I have used regularly, religiously, tried, tested, everything. These are the products I use on a regular basis. Some of them are even my ride or die products. Now I know it might get overwhelming sometimes because there are a lot of skincare products available in the market, and honestly speaking, there are new launches happening pretty much every day, and it gets overwhelming sometimes for me as well, what to choose, what product is suitable for you, what not. So I thought, why not narrow it down for you guys and bring to you my favorite products. For today, I will be talking about 4 major categories: toner, serum, moisturizer and sunscreen. I will be giving you my picks from each of these categories. Now I have tried my best to keep both drugstore and high-end in mind, and I have available options from pretty much both the categories. So if you want to know what products I use and love absolutely, then please continue watching. Now first up, I'm going to tell you how I categorize drugstore and high-end in this video. So anything below 1000 to 1200 is something I have categorized as drugstore, and anything above 1200 is what is high-end according to me in this video. First up, I'm going to start by talking about toners. Now when it comes to toners, usually the products that I have used are mostly either they come in a spray bottle form, either they are a mist, or they are of a little thicker consistency and they come in a bottle form, and you have to take it on your hand and apply it. I'm going to start by talking about mists. These are the 2 floral mists that I absolutely loved and enjoyed using. When it comes to face mist, I prefer using floral mist because they smell very nice and they refresh you. They're very refreshing and it feels very nice to have that floral smell. First is the Body Gold Pure Rose Water. This is infused with neem and cucumber. This is how the bottle looks like. I have literally finished this product. It literally smells of pure roses. It is so lightweight. Just after a face wash, every face wash, whenever I've washed my face in a day, I just used to spritz it, and now it's over. Unfortunately, I think I will have to buy a new one. But when it comes to rose waters and floral mist, this is one of my favorites. So hydrating and just feels very good. Second floral mist that I use is this one. This is the one I'm currently using. This is the Forest Essentials Facial Tonic Mist. Punch Push is the flavor. Now when I was buying it at the counter, they told me it has the wellness of 5 different flowers, which is great, and it smells also really nice, really fresh. Again, very hydrating, best for dry skin types. Now whatever products I will be recommending and talking about are products suitable only for dry skin type because I am a dry skin type. So yeah, but floral mist, I think any and every skin type can use. So these both are the floral mists that I absolutely love and would 10 on 10 recommend. Now the next category of toner is a little thicker one that I was talking about. These usually come in drop bottles like these. You have to take the product in your hand and kind of apply it on your face. These are not exactly very liquid like the floral mist, but these are definitely very hydrating. If you are a dry skin type, I would totally recommend layering the toner as well. I personally layer my toners. I first use any of the floral mist and then I go with one heavy duty toner, something like this. This is the Innisfree Jeju Orchid toner. Jeju Orchid, the whole range is basically meant for dry skin types. It is very hydrating. This is how the product looks like. As you can see, I have used quite a bit. You just require 2 or maximum 3 drops and you're good to go with your face. Very hydrating, trust me, very hydrating toner, and does the job of the toner very perfectly. balances the pH level, soothes your skin down, and it just gives a very hydrating and plump effect on the skin. Now the Body Gold Pure Rose Water retails for rupees 895. It falls in the drugstore category and literally worth the price. This is the Forest Essential Punch Push one. This retails for I think 1100 or 1200. On the borderline and slightly higher for a toner, but I would 10 on 10 recommend this. It is a really nice product. And when it comes to the Innisfree Jeju Orchid one, this retails for 1500. But again, it is an investment. I have been using this for months now. I mean, literally months now. I don't even remember. I think more than 6 months now. And this is very hydrating, very, very, very hydrating, and lasts you a long time. So totally worth the investment. Next up, I'm going to talk about serums. Now, when it comes to serums, I personally prefer something which is heavy duty, which is does not really sit on the skin but is very, very hydrating, is thick. So these are the two products that I like using. Again, this is from Body Gold and this is from Innisfree, the Jeju Orchid range. As I told you, the whole range is worth it. It might be a little pricier, but it's definitely worth it. It has literally helped my skin a lot to survive those harsh winter months. My skin literally peels out, it dries out like anything. It is very, very dry, and this has literally helped me a lot. Trust me on this. This range is really, really nice. This is the Innisfree Jeju Orchid Enriched Essence. This is how the bottle looks like. Again, you just need 1 pump or 1.5 pump. It has a silicone texture to it, but it just gets into the skin and you can feel it. It's hydrating. It's a very nice product. Trust me. I will say this for every product because I have used these products a lot and I have loved them. Again, this will last you a very long time. I think again I have used this for 6-7 months and it still is more than half. So great product. It retails for 2,100, a little pricier actually, but definitely worth it. The next product that I'm going to talk about is the Body Gold You Glow Gold 24K Gold Beauty Serum. Now this also, as you can see, I have finished, literally almost finished, but I loved using this product. This is such a nice product, smells so good. It has a little thick consistency, but it has a little thick consistency, but it has this formula, I don't know what, as soon as you apply it on the skin, it gets absorbed that very moment, and it's just so hydrating, smells so good, and just wow. This product retails for 1200 rupees, again on a little pricier side, but totally worth it. Now when it comes to moisturizers, this is the one that I've been using currently. This is the Clinique ID. I've been using it with the purple cartridge, which is for fine lines and wrinkles. I do not really have wrinkles on my face, but I do have some fine lines on my face, so I thought of using this. Now again, it's been a while since I've been using this product, but trust me, this is like the best moisturizer I have came across. Best under makeup used. Literally, it's just so hydrating, a wonder moisturizer for dry skin types. Now the Clinique ID especially comes in, so what basically how this works is this. I have used the hydrating moisturizer base, but with the base you have a jelly base as well. You have a slightly light moisturizer for oily and normal skin types as well. So it gives you options with the cartridge you want to choose and also with the base moisturizer you want. So again, this is a great product. The best thing about it is that you can customize this according to your skin type, which is actually great. What else do you need in a skincare product? And Clinique is known, it is the master of skincare products. So I trust Clinique blindly because there's another moisturizer which is the so famous Clinique Moisture Surge. Currently I'm out of stock with that, because out of stock as if I'm selling it. Not really out of stock, but I'm just out of that because I use it very oftenly. So that is finished, unfortunately, but that is one of my favorite. That has to be one of my favorites. Favorite moisturizer because it's very hydrating, suitable for almost all, because it has a jelly like consistency, and I believe it will be suitable for every skin type, for oily, normal, dry, everything. And when we talk about the consistency of this product, so when you pump out a product, a part of the moisturizer and also a part of the purple cartridge comes out, so that everything works equally on your skin. And this is just so hydrating on the skin. I cannot even begin to explain how hydrating it is on the skin, and smells really nice. Does not really have a very harsh smell though, I just realized, but it's great. I think it would suit, it would suit a lot of skin types, and of course, since you can customize this, great product. Now this retails for 3,800 rupees with the cartridge and the base moisturizer that you want. I know it is very pricey for a moisturizer, but to me, I like investing in skincare, and that actually shows on my skin. And I just like pampering myself with good skincare and good makeup. But surely, if you guys want to give it a try, go to the store, try it for yourself, and you will know how good this product is. Because of course you're basically getting a customized product, and again, it's an investment, because it lasts you very long, trust me. It will last you for about an year easily. So definitely check this out if you want to. And the Clinique Moisture Search that I was talking about actually comes in 3 or 4 sizes. So you can, if you are not very sure about that, you can definitely check out the mini. इतना छोटू सा होता है वो टेस्टर, and इतनी सी ट्यूब भी आती है टेस्टर की. So you can check that out also for yourself, and I'm sure you will love it. So अगर ज़्यादा spend नहीं करना, you can first test it out, and if it works, then you can take the full size product as well. The next moisturizer that I'm going to be talking about is again from Body Gold. It is their Day Cream with SPF 25. Now with this product, it is a very lightweight moisturizer with SPF as well, so you don't have to it cancels out on your usage of the sunscreen. But very honestly speaking, as you can see, I have used the product quite a bit to review. This smells so nice. This literally smells so nice. It has shea butter and raspberry oil, raspberry seed oil, which is again good for your skin. Shea butter is great if you have dry skin, by the way. And for me, I use this product typically when I'm not in. There are days, everyone has those days when you're not in the mood of doing a 10-step skincare routine and just layering your skin with a lot of products. On those days when I just need something very, very lightweight, I go on with this product. But usually at the end of the day, I like my skin to be loaded with a lot of skincare, thick layers sitting on my skin. That is the kind of girl I am. I like going to bed, I feel taken care of. So I like thick products, and as you've seen in my product choices also, all of them are very thick consistency. But with this is very hydrating, does the job, but it is very lightweight. So if you're someone who has a dry skin type but does not really want loaded products on your face and thick products, this is the moisturizer you should go for. This retails for 895 rupees. Again, not very expensive. I think fits perfectly in the budget, and it will literally do the job very well for you. It has SPF, so you don't have to layer another sunscreen on it. It just does the job, keeps you hydrated, and it's lightweight. It is not really, so on your basically for me, on my lazy days, I use this. When I don't want a lot of products on my face, I just go for this one. Lastly, I'm going to talk about the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. Again, unfortunately, I don't know where I kept that. That is like an endless moisturizer. It will last you forever. वो खत्म ही नहीं होता. I keep using it for some. It's basically for both your body and for your face, and वो खत्म ही नहीं होता है. Literally, it's a very thick moisturizer. So ideally, people use it for their bodies, but I love loading my skin with skincare, so I use it for my face as well sometimes, but mostly I use it for my body also, and I just love it. And it smells a little weird, to be honest. It smells a little weird, but it is a great moisturizer if you just want to religiously take care of your skin. बस लगा लो. A little weird, smell भी इतना कुछ ही नहीं कि वो बहुत गंदा smell करता है. It's smells a little medicinal, but it is very thick in consistency, and it retails for, it is actually a very big bottle. इतना बड़ा bottle है, and it retails for 1090 rupees, it's roughly 1100 rupees, but trust me, इतना thick है कि उसकी half or one pump will last you for your whole face, and पूरा दिन वो last करेगा, because वो बहुत heavy duty moisturizer है. So if you're looking for something like that in a drugstore category, I would totally recommend going for the Cetaphil one. It's a great moisturizer. It smells a little bit weird, but does the job perfectly. Lastly, talking about sunscreens. Now when it comes to sunscreens, people have a lot of issues. Like they want something which is lightweight, they want something which does not have a white cast. I personally don't really care about it having or not having a white cast. I just want it to protect me from sun, because I get tanned very easily, especially if you see me bare face. My forehead has another undertone, another color, and rest of the face is of another color, because I get tanned like very easily. थोड़ी सी भी धूप होगी और मैं tan हो जाऊंगी. So I want something which has a bigger SPF, if that is a thing. I mean, थोड़ा 50 SPF 50 and above basically. So all of my sunscreens are SPF 50 and above, and even if they have a white cast, they have a very slight white cast which fades away within 5 or 7 minutes, and it does not bother me personally. And both of these are very, very hydrating. Very hydrating means very hydrating. Sometimes my face ends up looking oily as well in summers, which I don't mind, but if you do, then you can go on with the other option. So first I'm going to talk about the L'Oreal UV Perfect Super Aqua Essence Fresh Hydrating UV Waterly Gel. This has SPF 50. This is the one. Now this is comparatively lightweight, and it basically gets absorbed into the skin, does not have a white cast at all, and this is the one I usually go for in summers. Unfortunately, it comes in only one size. पता नहीं बड़ा size क्यों नहीं है इसमें. It gets over very easily, but it's a very nice product. If you don't want to, again, if you're looking for something which absorbs into the skin, does not have a white cast, and at the same time protects you from the sun, and is hydrating at the same time, not very heavy duty but hydrating, then this is the one. I think it's such an underrated product. No one talks about it, but I randomly found this on Nykaa and I've literally fell in love with this. It's a great product. Definitely check it out. This also has another variant, which is the green one, which is suitable for oily skin type, I assume, because that is oil control. So I assume that is for oily skin types, and this is for blue one is for dry skin type. And this one retails for 515 rupees, which is, I think, fairly good for a sunscreen. The next sunscreen that I will talk about is from Forest Essentials. This is the Forest Essentials Sun Fluid with tender coconut water and turmeric and basil leaves. This is again SPF 50. Now this is the one when I was talking about, which could be. This is the one I was talking about when I said that sometimes my face looks oily, because this is like supremely hydrating, and it does not have a white cast as such, but kabhi kabhi thoda ho sakta hai, but it does not show matlab if you put on makeup, it does not show itna. It does not give any flashbacks, and this retails for 975 rupees, but again lasts a pretty good time. Not a very long time, but pretty good time. And yeah, I basically look for one thing in all of my skincare products, which is that it should be hydrating. It should be hydrating. It should drench my skin. It should just be on my skin, stick on my skin, and last all day. So all of these products basically last fairly all day. And even this, as I said, sometimes my face looks a bit oily when I use this, but I don't mind that as long as my face is not dry and does not really peel off. So that, and yeah, if you are a dry skin type, I would, and sometimes I can just wear this without any moisturizer or any skincare. Again, lazy days pe when I use the Body Gold one, either I use this or I just use this. That's it. तो भी मेरा पूरा hydration हो जाता है. That's how hydrating this is. And yeah, I love this product. So that's it, guys. That's all for today's video. I really hope that the video was helpful and you guys took away something. And yeah, I really hope that you guys like my product recommendations. In case you want me to do more product recommendations, more such videos wherein I talk about my favorite products, then do let me know in the comment section below. And I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. Bye.